Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main control center where you can adjust all of your device's configurations and features. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the option that says About Phone. This section contains important information about your device, including its model number, Android version, and other technical details. Now, within the About Phone section, look for an option labeled Build Number. This might be listed among other technical specifications, so take a moment to locate it. The build number is a unique identifier for your device's software version, but it also serves a special purpose for unlocking developer features. Here's where things get interesting. Tap the build number 7 times in quick succession. As you tap, you'll notice a message appearing on your screen counting down how many taps you have left. This is Android's hidden way of unlocking advanced settings that are normally reserved for developers and tech enthusiasts. It's a fun little Easter egg that Google built into the operating system. After you've completed the 7 taps, your device will prompt you to input your device password. This is a security measure to ensure that only the device owner can enable these advanced features. Go ahead and enter your password or PIN to confirm the action. This step is important because developer options give you access to powerful settings that can affect how your phone operates. Once you've entered your password, navigate back to the main settings menu. From there, look for and tap on the System option. This section groups together various system-level settings and features that control the core functionality of your device. Now scroll down through the System menu until you see Developer Options. This option wasn't visible before, but now that you've unlocked it, it appears here among the other system settings. Tap on Developer Options to access it, and you'll find a whole range of advanced features and tools that developers use for testing and debugging apps. And that's it. You've successfully enabled developer options on your Google Pixel, giving you access to advanced settings and customization features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.